wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best electric screwdrivers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you're ever inundated with furniture assembly, small fixture hanging, or electrical box maintenance, the dewalt 12-volt kit can make life quite a bit easier. It's lightweight, durable, and with the bundled charger and pair of batteries, it's also a great value. It includes a belt look along with a handy carrying bag. However, it's not as powerful as many. At number 9, given their bulkier size, it can be difficult to reach into small areas with electric screwdrivers. The worx XTD solves that problem by incorporating an extended shaft that can help access recessed spaces without slipping or stripping. It has an offset chuck that gets into tight corners and an auto spindle lock for manual use, but the trigger design is rather clunky. Coming in at number 8 on our list. If you're routinely elbow deep in tiny electronic devices, consider the novellife ES121, a carefully engineered product intended for smartphone and circuit board repair. It features a gyroscopic sensor that enables automatic use at the smallest twitch of the fingers. It's equipped with an OLED status display and 5 torque adjustment levels. However, it accepts 4mm bits only. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for electric screwdrivers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if you regularly work with mediums harder than wood, the dewalt DCF885 may be the choice for you. Thanks to modern battery technology, this impact-style driver pumps out enough power to put screws deep into concrete or metal without breaking a sweat. It comes from a world-renowned American company with a stubby profile for tight areas, but it's a bit overkill for everyday projects. Moving up our list to number 6. Thanks to its compact design, the black+decker BDC S20C really excels when you're working in tight spaces, like when you're installing cabinets or repairing electronics. It's built with an inline trigger grip for both comfort and control. It includes a 30-day money-back guarantee and won't break the bank. However, it doesn't have a charging status light. Halfway up our list at number 5. The worx semi-automatic drives fasteners deep into wood and other materials with help from an ergonomic pistol grip that lets you put plenty of pressure behind each use. It also incorporates an innovative screw holding attachment that allows for one-handed operation. It features an LED light that illuminates the work area and 6 internal quick-access bits. It's good value for the price. At number 4, backed by a lifetime warranty, the Hitachi Dual Position is an investment that will last you far into the future. This rugged unit runs on a fade-free 1.5 Ah lithium-ion battery, and the whole kit comes in a hard plastic carrying case for maximum protection. It offers 21 clutch settings and a versatile 90-degree or straight grip. It's good for jobs of all sizes. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, when you're faced with fastening tasks too arduous for smaller models, the Bosch PS31 comes to the rescue with considerably more power than the average driver. It also functions as a highly effective drill, so you won't have to constantly switch between tools. It comes with 2 batteries and a charger, a soft-sided case, and a 21-piece bit set. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for electric screwdrivers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the versatile black+decker LDX120 is great for driving screws at specific levels of torque, and its 11-position clutch helps prevent them from becoming stripped. What's more, its variable speed allows for countersinking without damaging materials. It fits comfortably in the hand and has thousands of satisfied owners. It's backed by a 2-year warranty. And taking the top spot on our list, the highly rated Skil IXO is a convenient option that can be used to tackle a multitude of projects around the house, and it costs barely more than a standard manual model. Its overall size isn't much bigger than its price tag. It's equipped with onboard magnetic bit storage and is lightweight for strain-free use. It recharges via micro USB. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for electric screwdrivers, or simply click beneath this video.